truly don't need to spend hundreds to get a real dedicated camera anymore? Better video quality, real zoom, and features your phone still can't match? Whatever your use case, I tested 5 of the best under $100. Let's get into it. The SJCam C400 is the best overall pick, delivering truly capable 4K video recording specifically designed around vlogging and everyday content creation at this price point. The standout is the combination of 4K resolution and vlogging focus features like a flip screen and external microphone support, which delivers noticeably better video quality and creator-friendly functionality than typical budget cameras in this range. A real advantage for anyone starting a YouTube channel or social content on a tight budget. The compact, lightweight body makes it truly easy to carry daily, and the built-in stabilization helps smooth out handheld footage. The straightforward controls keep operation approachable for beginners, and SJCam's growing reputation for accessible action and vlogging cameras backs the value. For anyone who wants the most complete budget vlogging setup, the SJCam C400 is the top pick on this entire list. Worth noting up front that the Sony NEX5N is a truly dated model, originally released back in 2011, so this listing is almost certainly a used or refurbished unit rather than new stock. Included here specifically as the interchangeable lens option for anyone who wants a real mirrorless camera experience on this budget. The standout is simply the ability to get a real mirrorless camera with interchangeable lens capability and manual controls at an extremely accessible price, letting you learn real photography fundamentals like aperture and shutter speed on actual dedicated camera hardware rather than a fixed lens point and shoot. The image quality reflects its age and won't compete with modern sensors, but the Sony E-mount lens compatibility opens up a truly wide secondhand lens market. For anyone specifically interested in interchangeable lenses and manual photography controls at the lowest possible cost, the Sony NEX5N is the pick, with a clear understanding that it's a truly older, secondhand piece of hardware rather than a current technology. The Akaso Brave 7 LE is the action camera pick, delivering truly rugged waterproof capability built specifically for capturing sports, travel, and outdoor adventures without babying the camera. The standout is the combination of waterproof housing and image stabilization at this budget price, which delivers noticeably smoother, more usable action footage than a typical point-and-shoot could manage in active situations. A real advantage for anyone who wants to document outdoor activities like swimming, biking, or hiking without worrying about weather or drops. The compact, mountable design fits truly well with standard action camera accessories, and the touchscreen makes reviewing footage on the go straightforward. The built-in stabilization smooths out shaky handheld or mounted footage reliably, and Akaso's reputation for accessible action cameras backs the durability claims. For anyone who wants real ruggedness for active use, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is the action camera pick on this entire list. The Khmer digital video camcorder is the best value pick, delivering a truly traditional camcorder form factor at the most accessible price in this lineup for anyone who prefers a familiar handheld recording style over an action or vlogging camera design. For anyone who wants a real dedicated video camera without spending much, the Khmer delivers real everyday recording capability at a friendly cost, ideal for family events, kids activities, or casual home videos. The standout is dependable video recording at a value price, which handles everyday recording needs smoothly in a familiar camcorder grip style, all at a truly accessible cost that undercuts other budget cameras significantly. The simple controls keep operation truly approachable for anyone new to dedicated video cameras, and the long battery life covers extended recording sessions. Khmer's focus on accessible, easy-to-use camcorders backs the value positioning for anyone who wants a real traditional camcorder at the lowest price. The Khmer is the best value pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with a VJanger 4K digital camera, the flip screen pick, delivering a truly convenient front-facing flip screen, specifically useful for anyone who wants to frame themselves for selfie-style vlogging or content creation. The standout is the flip screen design combined with 4K recording, which lets you truly see yourself in frame while recording, a real advantage for solo content creators who need to check framing and focus without a separate monitor or assistant. The compact size makes it truly easy to carry daily, and the straightforward menu system keeps operation approachable for beginners. The built-in microphone handles everyday audio adequately, and VJanger's focus on accessible content creation cameras backs the practical flip screen design. For anyone who specifically wants a flip screen for self-recording, the VJanger 4K camera is the flip screen pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right camera under $100, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Hack for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.